Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeReese, and we have a busy week this week across our neighborhoods, starting us off with a winter weather advisory currently in effect for almost all of our neighborhoods, minus Hillsdale County. This is set to expire at 7 a.m. tomorrow as we're continuing to track lake effect snowfall, and paired with strong winds, we could see some limited visibilities and some blowing snow on roadways for really the entire day today, especially more though for our most western neighborhoods like Eaton County. A cold weather advisory has also been issued for Hillsdale County. This will go into effect at 1 p.m. this afternoon, and last through tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. as our overnight lows and wind chills will feel like 15 below zero. Yes, in Lansing today, we're gradually cooling those temperatures. We already met our highs in the upper teens earlier this morning, but we're going to again track lake effect snow showers and breezy conditions for the rest of the day today. Let's time this out on our satellite and radar. Still seeing that snowfall come down this morning. Again, lake effect snowfall is going to continue on throughout our forecast throughout the afternoon into the evening hours, overnight, and into tomorrow morning. And by the time we reach Tuesday by noon, we'll start to see the end of the lake effect snow showers. Strong winds will continue on. We'll also have a chance to see some clearing late Tuesday at around 5-6 o'clock in the evening. So for additional snowfall, this is taking us from 7 a.m. today all the way really for tomorrow, the end of this first event. We could see an additional 1 to 2 inches across most of our neighborhoods, a little bit heavier off to the west. If we take a look at feels like temperatures for today, below 0 degrees, even during the daytime hours today for our feels like temps. So make sure you are bundling up. Extreme cold will be talked about throughout the week as well as these strong winds possibly reaching 35 to 40 miles per hour this afternoon at around noon. That's going to be where we reach our max wind gusts for the day, taking a bit of a break for the rest of the afternoon. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. we could see gusts up to 30 to 35 miles per hour with renewed strengthening wind gusts as our next system arrives early Wednesday morning. That could bring some more accumulating snowfall. But here's our overnight feels like temperatures taking us to 6 a.m. tomorrow. Hillsdale County, that area in the cold weather advisory, feeling like 15 below zero. For other areas, we're ranging from really 5 to 10 below zero for feels like temperatures. But again, we're going to get colder as we progress through the week, and we'll actually see feels like temperatures bump up on Wednesday as more snowfall arrives out of the southwest. A look at our super 7-day forecast shows temperatures to start the week, highs in the teens, mid to upper teens. Like I said, Wednesday we warm up a bit back to 30 degrees, but then gradually cool down through the rest of the week as we continue to track snow all the way through Friday. Look at overnight Friday into Saturday's low, 8 below zero. That is air temperature, not factoring in our winds. That's that extreme cold in our neighborhoods I was talking about that could bring us some impacts and problems, which will continue with 4 below zero overnight lows overnight Saturday into Sunday. However, this weekend does look dry with mostly cloudy skies on Saturday, partly cloudy skies on Sunday.